transformation and inversion, and visualize and analyze the effect of amplitude transformation on digital signals. So, here is the background. Amplitude transformation is the modification of a signal amplitude by applying a scaling factor or inversion. Amplification increasing the signal amplitude by multiplying with a factor greater than 1. Attenuation decreasing the signal amplitude by multiplying with a factor between 0 and 1. And inversion reversing the signal by multiplying with negative 1. Such transformations are widely used in digital conditioning, volume processing, and digital communication system. So, in materials, we need computer with Python installed, and sa libraries, we need to import NumPy and Matplotlib. Sa baba, here, kita naman yung procedure natin sa paggawa ng ating Python code. Ito naman yung ating Python code na ginawa. So, una, kailangan muna natin to i-import ang NumPy and ang Matplotlib. NumPy is used for creating and calculating numbers. And Matplotlib dot pyplot is for plotting our signals naman as graphs. So, NumPy, na-coordinate natin siya ng as NP and Matplotlib as PLT. So, first we need to generate the time signals. N goes from 0 to 20 in steps of 1. This is our time points. Ang X naman is our signal made using a sine function. Sine NP sine 0.3 times NP pi or pi times N. This gives us a smooth wave-like signal that moves up and down. Next line, plot the original signal. We have the PLT stem of N of X. Itong stem, ito yung ginagamit natin for plotting the original signal. This shows each signal values as a vertical line. The graph is titled Original Signal with its axis labels. X-axis for N samples and Y-axis for amplitude. And naglagay tayo ng subtitle for sabihin na nating watermark natin siya sa plot na lalabas mamaya. So for amplification, nag-create tayo ng amplified signal by multiplying the original signal by 2. And this means that the wave's height or the amplitude becomes twice as large. In other words, it's louder or stronger. Sa next line, the attenuation, nag-create tayo ng attenuated signal by multiplying the signal sa 0.5. This reduces the amplitude to half its size, making the wave smaller or weaker. And next, inversion naman, we create an inverted signal by multiplying the original signal by negative 1. This flips the signal upside down. So, next line naman, we set up a figure with 3 subplots, one for each operation. For amplified signal factor of 2, yung plot niya is in color red. It also shows the same wave shape but with larger peaks and dips. Sa attenuated naman, also in red, factor is equals to 0.5, same shape but smaller amplitude. Inverted signal factor is equals to negative 1. The wave is flipped vertically. Tapos ito yung mga title niya, the X and Y labels and the grid. So, sa last line natin, we have the PLT tight layout. And ito yun, this code keeps the plots neatly spaced. And the PLT show displays all 3 graphs together. So, if we're going to run the code, itong lalabas sa kanya. Ito yung original signal natin, yung original na discrete signal. And ito yung ano natin, parang watermark. And ito naman yung ating amplified signal. Yan. Yung figure size niya is 10 by 6. 10 by 6. Ito yung amplified signal natin. Factor is equals to -2. Ito naman yung attenuated signal natin. And the last one is yung inverted signal natin. Ito naman yung ating labels and yung grid. That's all. Thank you.